Okay, it's March the 11th. Meadow Creek is open. It goes all the way up to the top where there is a overlook, or not an overlook, but it's actually like a platform, like a tower that you can go up in, and then you can see all through the counties and stuff. You can see Greenville, Morristown, and Newport, Bulls Gap. You can see all those areas. It's beautiful at night, and but you have to follow that road all the way up. Now there's a road that turns to the right, comes down into Long Branch. It's a pretty good long little trail. I'm not exactly sure how long it is, but I think it's about 6 miles or something. But anyway, I'll include a map of the trail itself. You can kind of get an idea of where it's at. Rowdy wanted to get out here and run a little bit, so I'm gonna let him run. There he is. He stopped smelling something. I knowed he wanted to run because he got out and he took off down the road. And that usually means he wants to get out and run a little bit. So we're going to let him run some of his energy out. There running. Somebody's down through here. I see where the tracks is. I hope this ain't a gate closed down here. Exactly where that is, but I mean, there's a lot of lights for this. I'm up here at Meadow Creek. I don't know if that's Greenville. I have to look on my map and see. Still enough. Yeah, that may be Greenville back over in there. I'm not sure. No, still enough. There on the mountain. That's possibly Greenville. Not sure. Lit up. Okay, some fog down in there. in fact, is Greenville. Not sure how good and clear that's looking on here. I gotta be careful because it's a straight off drop off right here where I'm standing. Can't see there, can you? And that is down into Bull's Gap. And then Morristown's on over in here, but you can't see it from the mountains or the trees. That is Greenville. Here's the look I'm getting. I had to stop because it's such a beautiful place here. I'm heading down now toward Long Branch, and this used to be a pretty good little trail. Had some pretty good sized ditches in it, and some dugout places in it. And this is the very first trail that I did when I bought Little Red, and that was a '98 TJ. Loved that little Jeep. It needed a lot of work. I actually bought that Jeep for $3,400, and I put quite a bit of work into it. And Jonesy, a friend of mine, helped me do a lot of the work. He actually bought a lot of parts too. Anyway, I ended up turning around and selling it for $5,000. First vehicle I ever bought that I actually got more money out of it than I put in it. Looks like we have a deer up here. I know. So Rowdy's done sensed her right off the bat. I know, baby. I know. He just wants to be your friend. I know, buddy. I know. I know it. Rowdy's just trying to be friends with that deer. Pretty country down in here, and we're out. This comes out down here at Long Branch. Unless I'm just totally off my rocker, which it has been known I can get off my rocker. Anyway, if you've watched this far, I really appreciate it. I ask you to subscribe and to like the video, give it a thumbs up because that really helps. I'm just a little fledgling YouTube channel, and I desire to try to bring something you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching.